the park.
Your bird Halo?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that park.
It has a merry-go-round too, and a seesaw.
Let's go see it.
Okay, come on, bring it.
Are you holding him good? Hold him. Let him just go on your shoulder or your finger. There you go. He'll go to your shoulder.
Oh, do not go in my hair.
Well, your hair is... You can't go in it yet. All right, come on.
Get on my hair.
No, it's okay. It's all right. There you go.
Oh,
Just leave him. He likes shoulders. Come on. There, he loves shoulders.
He's just on my back.
I see that.
I'm gonna tip him over.
No, you don't tip him over.
Do not even go. Hello.
Here, let's put him on your shoulder more. Better. There.
How's that? Close.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Whoops.
Let's go on the zip line, Halo.
Let's go. No, we're not going on that first. We're going over here first, Heaven.
Let's go on the merry-go-round.
Over here. The green one. Oh, there's people here.
Let's go on the swing.
Let's put him on that swing. No, the orange one.
Yeah, I'm talking about it. Come on, Halo, get off. Get off of here.
There. Now be very gentle. Do a gentle push. Gentle. Little more. Little more. Little more, Heaven. I don't think he can really feel that. Go a little more. More. Yes. There. He's looking around.
He's looking happy.
Yes, he is. Maybe it's relaxing.
He says stop.
He says stop.
Uh-huh.
Okay, pick him up. Let's find something else for him to do.
Wait, Mom. I know what to do.
There you go.
No.
What about this?
No, it goes too fast.
Huh?
It goes too fast.
It goes too fast. Go really slow. Go really slow.
Like this one?
Yeah, go. Yeah, like that.
I'm gonna be on with him. Huh?
I think he's wondering what the heck that is, and maybe he's getting dizzy.
He said stop.
Well, if he didn't like it, he'd try to fly, right? Maybe you just want to go a little slower. Okay, let's find something else.
Come on, Dana. Here you go, Mom.
Hey, let's try him on the slide.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. You go up there. Here, I'll hand him to you. There you go. He likes shoulders. Okay, now put him up on the top. Well, you could slide right down with him. Hold him tight. Whee! Whoops.
Oh, he just flew on me.
Yeah, I see that.
He likes you.
I know. He loves us, doesn't he?
Yeah, but our bikes are really...
Look at that thing. Are you going to go on it?
On what thing?
That thing. Should we go stand in line for the zip line?
But the people
Yeah, that's why you get in line.
So the people are going to say, hi, you bought a bird?
Well,
Yeah.
he's not going on with you. You're just going to go on. Ready? Let's go.
Ready? Careful. It's okay.
Yeah, just don't go super fast. There you go.
Good job.
Ooh, you're doing it.
No. I'll pull you back, okay? Ooh.
Whoa. Whoa. Hold on tight. Wow, that's amazing. Good job.